Hi there.
Hey, all of your good students over there. You all know we have a BYJU'S Mini Learning Program. You can see it over here, right?
Yes, it is there.
Yes, the BYJU'S Mini Learning Program, which we all know, it's a great insight into looking what the two-teacher model is. And we have a good news for you.
This particular thing is absolutely free.
Yes, for all the selected users who are there on YouTube, who are regular and watch us, you all can go and avail this discount of YT free. Previously it was of $399, but if you use this code, you will get this for free. You won't have to pay a penny on this, right? So, why should we go for MLP now? That's one question we need to answer.
Yeah. Now, and many of you were asking me what is a good advantage of that. So, very first advantage of many advantages that we have the live interaction classes. So, in these live interaction classes, you will be able to talk to the teachers. Now, many of you will say that, ma'am, here also we'll be able to talk. But there are times, right, where you ask us a question, and just because there's so many of you are out there, and there are chances that we might miss some questions, we don't answer your question.
And there's this one thing, no, which as teachers, we feel if all of you instead of chats were there in front of us on a video call, we could see your faces, we could see your reactions. This you will get here in this learning program, and that's why this makes it special.
Very special.
Now, next. The things which we feel we should be able to do is quizzes and tests.
Yeah.
You will get that also, okay?
Then, of course, we have the dual teacher model here. There are two teachers who will be actually helping you to learn amazing concepts. So that's the greatest advantage of all the time. Then, of course,
you all know the BYJU'S master teachers. BYJU sir, Divya ma'am, Ashwin sir, Tarana ma'am, Anita ma'am, Vinay sir. All these teachers are there as the master teachers, and we have the second tutor who is equally good, and they are there to solve your live doubts. All your doubts can be solved instantly at that particular moment, right? And it's a brilliant thing, I would say, being a student at some point of my life. I wished there would have been something like this, right? So go ahead. It's very important you use this code, because tomorrow there might be a time when everybody has used it and you haven't. So go ahead.
It's a limited time offer.
We don't want you to feel that fear of missing out, the FOMO. All right, go ahead, use this code and use it to your advantage, because this is a very limited time offer. Tomorrow it won't be there, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow means in near future.
Yeah.
So
with this, we will, as always, say, BYJU'S have got you covered from 6th to 10th. We are there for you. And with this, we will wrap it up. I hope that you like this video, and if you have any inquiries, please leave your questions in the comment section below. We'll be able to help you.
And share this information to all your friends. It's very important that you share this, because we want everyone to have at least tried it. Tomorrow you would know what was there. Go ahead, share it and subscribe to our channel. That's something which we even don't want to tell you, but you will, right? Yes, go ahead, like, share and subscribe.
And with this, we are done. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
But I don't think